Section 3.1, example 10, expressing the equation of a circle as a function. So does the equation x squared plus y squared equal 1 represent a function with x as an input, y as an output? If so, express a relationship as a function y equal to f of x. All right, let's see. So I have the function x squared plus y squared equals 1. They want y as an output. So x, y as a function of x. So we're getting y by itself. So to get y by itself, minus x squared both sides. We have y squared is equal to 1 minus x squared. And lastly, to get y by itself, we take the square root. And we're left with y is equal to, oh, so remember when we take the square root of a variable, we need to give it the option of it being either negative or positive, because whenever we square something, we get rid of the negative. So it's going to be plus or minus the square root of 1 minus x squared. This tells us that there's two different possibilities when y is equal to this function here. So because of that, we would get different answers. Even if we input, let's say, we can't input anything not like greater than 1 because it's going to give us a negative number. Let's say 0.5. So 0.5 or half. We have to either get the positive one or the negative one. So the input of 1/2 or 0.5 gives us two solutions here. And because there's an input that exists that gives us more than one solution, we cannot call this a function. So we would say not a function. So not a function. Makes me a little sad. There is a way that we could make it a function, and it's if we restrict it. So think about what the equation, what a circle is. So we have a circle for the input, the x input, let's say here at 1. We're only going to have one solution, but over here at 0.5, we ended up with these two solutions. So we can't really force it. We could force it to be just the top half of the circle. And having that top half of the circle, we do have just one solution. So just looking at the top half like that, not that middle. I can't think of the word. This one, diameter. So without the diameter, just like that top half of the circle, we could have that represented as a function because we're only looking at the positive answers. And 1/2 would represent just or correlate to just one output. But this is an entire circle, not just one circle. So we can't represent it as a function. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.